In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a WordPress blog post by using the Visual Composer Page Builder plugin to add some custom design to our blog posts. So we're going to jump right in there and go to our posts and add new. Okay, and we'll call this test post. And down the right here, we will give it, we will add it into a category. So this will be an article. And the next section, which is important, we need to set our featured image for the post. The reason we set featured image is for this here basically is the featured image. So wherever the posts are published, either in the media page of this website or on the home page, the featured image is quite important as it adds that in there. So let's set our image. Okay, and we'll use this one here. Okay, so that looks quite interesting. So always remember, if you're adding and uploading new images, then be sure to add in a description, as this helps with search engines and those with accessibility needs to the site. So we'll set that there. Okay, and we can see that is now set. And what we'll do for now is we'll save that as a draft. So we don't want to publish it yet because it will just be a blank page and that'll be being pushed to the home page, and we don't want people to see that just yet. Okay, so that's now saved as a draft, and we'll go ahead and we'll edit it with Visual Composer. Okay, so something slightly different to the video that I showed you when we were creating the pages for the main site page structure. In the pages, we added a pre-designed template that I created in here, which was called Jubilee Page Template. I've created a second one called the blog post template. But before we go adding this one in here, we have to add an additional template. This is due to, at the minute, Visual Composer is a little limited to what extent you can edit and compose blog posts. So I've already composed another template which contains the header, sidebar, and the footer for the blog. And you can select that first by that one there. So it's the header, content, sidebar, footer. So we'll click that in first. Okay, and we can see there, header, sidebar, footer area. Excellent. But what we now need to do is we now need to add in our little template here for the central blog post content. So we shall now, with the sidebar in here, so it's if you're off of here, then into templates, scroll down, and it's the blog post template there. Okay, so now we can see that has now added in some content for the actual blog post. And what we can do now is we can just edit this as we did before with our pages. So again, hover over the element that you want to edit, and you're looking for the little pencil on that element. You can see it highlights in green around it. We'll click on that, and we want to change our image. So first remove that one, and we'll add our new image in. And we'll do this the same as our featured image. So we'll have that one in there. Again, as always, there's always some options to try and style some of these elements. We could create that as a rounded image or a circle image there. And then we're going to edit our text, again hovering over the element, clicking on the pencil and changing our title text there. And again, same down to the main body of the text there. Click on the pencil. If you wanted to add in any links to external sites, then to do that you would just highlight the text that you want to link to, click the insert link there, and then you can put in the web address of where you want to link that to. That might be an internal page on this site, or it could be a page you're linking to on a different website somewhere else. Okay. So one extra thing I'm going to show you is just to add, if you wanted to add some photos into the post, say if you've had an event and you've took a load of photos, you then want to also display them in a gallery, you can do that. And we can just add it at the bottom underneath our text here. So again, we'll just, on that add element, our sidebar will pop up and we can go down to image gallery. And that will then fill out with some holding images predetermined. Again, in the sidebar here, it will. You can edit those images, take them out, add new ones in, pop some filters over it, some Instagram style filters if you wanted to do that. And again, change the shape of the images. And if you wanted to, you could create a background color behind them if you wanted to make them kind of stand out a little more. Or even put in a background image, should you wish. Like so, psychedelic. So yeah, there you go. That is our post complete, and we just need to save that. So down to our little tick down here, we'll tick that. I'll just wait for that, and there we go. Green is good. If that was highlighted in red, then you may just need to maybe just try saving it again, and it should do that. So we've now published our post, and if we go to the front of our website and we refresh the page, we can now see that our test post is published on the home page of the website, and as well it's on our media page as well. And we can just click into the post fully there. And there we go.